Hello everyone, I'm Adam with CLNotes, and in this video, I'm going to show you how we can use CLNotes to learn Chinese. We've designed CLNotes so that it functions with the Chinese language in exactly the same way as it functions with other languages, and this took a little bit of work because, as you may know, Chinese doesn't really have any spaces in between the letters or anything like that. But we found some ways so that we are able to allow you to specifically highlight and look up words and all that kind of stuff as you usually would. So the first thing we're going to do here in our mock Chinese class is we're going to create a new course material here. And if you look at this icon, the second one from the left, we click on this. And I think what we're going to do is choose HTML. And I'm going to take something maybe from the BBC Chinese website here. So I'm just going to go here, and here's a great article that I'm just going to copy into our CL note. This is quite a lengthy article here. So I'm going to press Control C, but you can also right click and click on copy. Go back to our note and Control V. Again, you can also right click and click paste. And I'm also going to put in the original URL here. And I will also show its Creative Commons attribution in this case. This one actually, I think I would make a private one because I don't really have the rights to distribute this or anything like that. So this will just be a private thing just for me. You can also do that for your classroom as well if you want to just keep it within your class. And we also have to add a title here. So I'm going to go back and just grab the title because I think it's going to take me a while to type this in myself. Grab the title and paste it right into the title box here. Now, I'm going to save the note. And once it's finished saving, our note will be ready to go. Now, we also have implemented an auto detect feature, which detects what language you're currently using. And of course, it's auto detected that we're using Chinese, so it selects the Chinese English dictionary here. And what that means is now when we go down through this reading, we can click on words and we will get the translation for it. So in this case, we have 知识 something. So it's highlighting each one. Now, the cool thing about this, if you look at the pop-up, it shows you the pronunciation in pinyin, and it also shows you the tone, in this case, zhi, fourth tone, so zhi, and shi, fourth tone. And it will also take longer words. So for example, clicking on this one will tell you this is Canada, which is Canada, and same thing, you just go through. And just like other CL notes, after we have selected these words that we've gone through here, we can create activities. The students themselves, of course, can select words like this and create some activities. And I didn't know Soviet Union was Sulian. That's interesting. But anyways, just going through this, yes, you can see it just works exactly the same way. It's very, very useful. It's very wonderful for Chinese language learners. And uh, again, we can use this stuff, press save, and it'll save all of these keywords. We can see up top here, we have 11 key terms selected. And we can go into our class, and here it is right here. And as usual, you can go in and you can create new activities. Now, we haven't made crossword puzzles with Chinese because, well, if you know Mandarin, you'll know that it's a lot easier to find crisscrosses of individual letters, like the letters of the English alphabet or other languages' alphabet, than it is to find uh, these kinds of pictographs of Chinese, the Chinese characters, because you might have 30, 40 different words, but it's could be quite rare that you'll have two of the same Chinese characters in two different words or more, especially with a crossword. We need quite a few different intersections. So, understandably, we have not made the crossword feature available. However, closed tests, gap filling, all that kind of stuff is still possible with Chinese. So, I hope all of you enjoyed this feature, and I hope this helps all of you who are studying Chinese, myself included. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at the address on the screen there. And as always, with CLNotes, remember, we can teach more efficiently and learn more effectively. Thank you. Bye-bye.